In the past 40 years after the opening policy, we've been built so many infrastructure work in China and in some other countries, including the US. We have a heavy construction arm, CCA Civil, very active in the state.
In November, President Biden signed the $1 trillion infrastructure bill. What do you think should be the infrastructure priorities for the U.S.?
We've been waiting for that plan for many years. So everybody can see the infrastructure level from the state drop to level D for many years. And especially in the many metropolitan area, people see the infrastructure, especially on the transportation side, was so bad. Many bridges, tunnels, railroad, airport need to be replaced.
When getting involved in a project here, you obviously have to get buy-in from the local politicians. Given the strained relationship between China and the U.S. right now, has that become difficult?
So far, we don't see that much impact on our existing business. We hear some noises, maybe has potential impact to our company, but since CCA has been working here for 37 years, we consider ourselves more like a local American company, and over 98% of our staff are local. So I think most of the authority or agencies who has been working with us in the past, they know us, they know our quality, our people, and they trust us. That should not be a big problem. But we don't know whether some politician will try to use that to give us pressure. That will be a challenge.
You say that would be a challenge. In what way?
If people try to push us to the corner and saying that we have, the background from China, but that will not be a smart decision. And think about that. We are the world #1 construction company, and we are capable to bring our expertise, technologies, which will only contribute something positive.
FDI between the U.S. and China has taken a hit over the past few years. To what do you attribute that?
We see many investors from China who play a very important role in the real estate investment in the past 10 years. They stopped. Since we are working in the building sector as well, building the commercial buildings, residential, high-rise, hotels, everything, and we see the changes. Without Chinese investor, we lost many potential jobs, not only for our company, for the whole industry. That is a very negative impact. I hope someday the Chinese investor will come back.
Why do you think Chinese investors have pulled out?
I think most of them see the tension between US and China. That's the major.
Many people have said that the China-US relationship is the most strained it's been in decades. Where do you see that relationship going in the next 5 years?
The situation between US and China could not stay like this for another 5 years. I think things will be better and better, especially after the two leaders of the nation start the dialogue in last November. We see some positive signal.